Okay, so for problem number 11, it says in the equations above, B and C represent the price per pound in dollars of beef and chicken. After X weeks, after July 1st during last summer, that was the time frame. What was the price of the pound of beef when it was equal to chicken? So we've got to solve this. In other words, when did they equal each other? So the question that they're asking us is, what value of X makes this? Well, let's start with this. They want to know when beef was equal to chicken. But what's beef? Well, beef is equal to, in other words, the price or the cost of beef is equal to 2.35 plus 0.25x. In other words, it's 2.35 plus 0.25 times x. Well, what was the chicken? Well, I don't know when they were equal to each other, but it's always represented by the equation 1.75 plus 0.40 times x. And x is the number of weeks after July 1st. Hey, I got a bunch of numbers and some x's. I think I could solve for x, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to get all the x's on one side. Remember, I want to make it look like x equals some stuff. So I move stuff away from the x. So the first thing I need to do, though, is get all my x's on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 0.25 x from both sides. And that leaves me with 2.35 is equal to 1.75. And then 40 minus 25 is actually, 15? Or in this case, 0.15. Next, I'm going to subtract 1.75 from both sides. Five minus 5 is 0. 23 minus 17 is 6, and we got to leave our decimal here. And that's equal to 0.15x. So then I'm going to divide both sides by 0.15. Guess how many times that goes into it? 4. So x equals 4. Uh-oh. What do you guys notice about x equaling 4? Is that one of our options? No, so we're not done yet. It says, what was the price per pound of beef? Price per pound when it was equal to the price per pound of chicken. How do I find that? Well, I know what the price of beef is. The price of beef is equal to 2.35 plus 0.25x. Man, if I only knew the value of x. Oh, wait, I do. When do they equal each other? After the 4th week. X equals 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 2.35 plus 0.25 times the quantity x, which we know is 4. When x equals 4, they equal each other. So then 235 plus, if I have 4 quarters, what do they equal? $1, right? So what's $1 plus 235?